Beautiful, isn't it? I'm at Mysore, and with me today I have a very special motorcycle. A motorcycle I've been riding for the past few weeks, the Honda CB350. This is a favorite part of my job. I get to ride motorcycles, test the product and make videos about it. So in this video, we'll be checking out all the accessories we have developed for the Honda CB350. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon because your support matters a lot to us. We'll begin with an accessory that I absolutely love, this visor. This is an all-metal made visor. It kind of fits well with the whole retro look of the motorcycle. It's made with mild steel. Just below this visor, we have this beautiful looking headlight grill. Now what makes this headlight grill special is that it's designed for this motorcycle. You can see that the headlight of this motorcycle is kind of special. It has this LED area here, the light emits from here. And this headlight grill ensures that there is no issues to the visibility. Up next is another accessory that I absolutely love on this motorcycle, the front disc caliper guard. Now normally people does not really protect the disc calipers, but sometimes when in an accident, this part gets damaged and this product ensures that it does not happen ever again. Also, it looks very good. Talking about the front brake, we also have a beautiful guard for this front brake reservoir. This product is made with stainless steel. It ensures that it is anti-rust. Also, it has this beautiful glass bead finish, which gives it a very premium feel. Up next here is an absolute must-have accessory, the crash guard. This crash guard is made with mild steel and it comes with an inbuilt frame slider which ensures maximum safety for your motorcycle. Also, this is one of the widest crash guard I've seen, which means that your bike will be protected no matter in what crash. This is a two-piece crash guard, which means it comes in two parts, which makes installation and removal very easy. Just below this crash guard, we have another must-have accessory, the skid plate or bash plate. This offers protection to the engine. This is again made with mild steel, but what I really like about this product is the fact that it extends its protection up to here. Up next, we have another beautiful looking guard, this time for this rear brake reservoir. This is also made with stainless steel and is one of the most beautifully designed guards I have ever seen. Up next is one of my personal favorite accessory on this motorcycle, the saddle stay. Here's why it's my favorite, because I'm sure the designing team have put a lot of thought behind it, because this is a 2-in-1 saddle stay. You can mount your luggage here, but you can also mount your jerry cans. This is made with mild steel and is one of the most recommended accessories for long distance riders. Up next is another accessory made for long distance riders, the rear carrier. What you see here is a carrier with a top plate. Now this top plate can be removed and can be bought separately. Lastly, we have the side stand base, which allows me to park this motorcycle anywhere I want, like here, mud, slush, dirt or any other terrains. Now, I have to mention this. The one thing I'm thoroughly impressed about all these products are quality, because trust me, my personal opinion and from my personal experience, I've never seen such a quality product on a motorcycle ever before. So, if you own a Honda CB350 and want to buy these accessories, all you have to do is check www.bandidospitstop.com and shop online. We ship all over India. If you love this video, please press the like button. If you have a friend who owns a Honda CB350, please share this video with them. That's it for this video. I'll see you next week. Take care. Ride safe.